These are the elevators at St. Vincent Professional Building 311 in Erie, Pennsylvania, St. Vincent Hospital. These are 80s Otises. Series 1. And they look more 90s, but I think the permanent was from the 80s. Lower level. I think the fans turning on maybe? Oh, here we go down. Looks like a transition now. Here at lower level. Go to 4. But there's no 2, that's weird. Oh, you know what? I think 2 is the surgery sign, that's probably why. Here you go up. Lights flickered. Yeah, it skips 2. Crack on the door, you can kind of see the floors. Of course, 4 couldn't, or 4. Back on to 1. Let's burn down it. On your phone. I think there's a cleaning person up there. Yeah, we'll run down. It's a basic fake ribbon cab. There's no one here. It's like 5 o'clock. Because I haven't locked it yet. Grid ceiling's interesting. It's an interesting color. Oh, the other one has a lower pitch chime. Lower level's a lockout, but it's not locked. There we go, 1. Going down, someone must have called it downstairs. That's gonna be it.